สู้บางคนออกเนี่ยจมช่องสมัครสุสกมจมกันช่อง YouTube นั่ง Facebook Page ของพี่น้องในนี้จะเป็นเทียนวัดใส่จะจูนตลอดบางคนออกเนี่ยใส่บางคนทำไมตอนดังไว้เตอร์จีช่องเปรียบเทียบบางคนออกเนี่ยปี RCCB ให้นั่ง ELCB chúng tôi tôn tìm phép ní phát một chỗ đầu tiên mà sản phẩm của chúng tôi toàn là subscribe YouTube channel follow Facebook page của nhóm subscribe and follow Facebook page của nhóm okay now we start to the slide ต่างๆนี้ใบbảnผมอย่างทางมันก็ต้องปีใบtớiคือ RCCB ใบtớiคือ ELCB Okay, hello everybody. Please welcome to join my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. And Sambath today has a short topic to share with you and to share with you to do the comparison about the RCCB and the ELCB for you. Okay, for who you know that subscribe my YouTube channel or follow my Facebook page. Please have to subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Okay, now we start to go to my slides. To more detail, I will explain you more details. What is the RCB and what is the ELCBs? What is the difference between the two objects and the function or the design for it? Okay, let's go to the slide.
Được nhằm một hai học nghề tính RCCB hay là ELCB. Okay, now I will comparison between RCCB and ELCB for all of you. Now this one the picture of the ELCB. This one the pictures of the RCCB. RCCB means residual current circuit breakers. ELCB meaning earth leakage current breakers. Okay, next slide. Regarding to the RCCB electrical safety device that detects an interrupt electrical circuit when there is a leakage current to the ground. It protects people and equipment from electric shocks, fire, and other hazards caused by faulty wiring, installation failure, or incidental contact with live parts. The sensitivity of an RCCB is also determined by its rating residual operations current I delta N, which is the minimum leakage current that will make it trip. The command values I delta N are from 10 mA to 1 amps. The lower I delta N, the higher protection level against electric shock. More so, the RCB, we can say like the same as RCB and RCD. RCD stands for residual current device, while RCB stands for residual current breaker. RCB is an electrical wiring that disconnects the circuit as soon as it detects current leakage to the earth wire. It also protects against electrocution or shock caused by direct contact. This one's meaning the explain you more a little bit. RCCB is the same RCB and RCD. More people they confuse, but all three of these you can call either ones RCB or RCD the same. But RCCB, if you want to buy it used for your home, this one like my highlight, you should use the data and 30 milliamps. If you use higher than example 1 amp or 500 milliamp like that, it's cannot protect yourself, protect your family. When you touch the equipment that have any faults, so we get electric shock. Example, your microwave, your washing machine, your refrigerant for the body, for the have can say like leakage the current to their body. So when you or your family touch, it will like electric shock. So if used correctly, like 30 milliamp is no problem. It can prevent you and your family from the electric shocks. So when you want to use and buy it from the market, you should tell the seller to give the 30 milliamp for you. They have many value like this, but they will follow their can say like their techniques. Example, some value you for the control panel, for the distribution panel or like that. But we use for the home should use this value. បាទអ្នកនរគ្នាតកតងនឹង RCCB ឬពីពេញអ្នកនរគ្នាបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងហើយខ្ញុំអានបានដូចអានភាសាហើយវាជាឧបករណ៍មួយយ៉ាងដែលយើងប្រើវាសម្រាប់ពេលមានចរន្តណាមួយឆ្លងទៅដីពេលមានចរន្តណាមួយឆ្លងទៅដីអញ្ចឹងហើយវានឹងធ្វើការលោតមិនថា funnel ទេវានឹងធ្វើការលោតប៉ុន្តែដល់ពេលវាមានគួរសេគ្វីកើតឡើងគឺវាលោតទេប្រភេទ RCCB នេះវាការពារតែចរន្តឆ្លងដីទេហើយនៅពេលមានគួរសេគ្វីកើតឡើងវាលោតទេអញ្ចឹងហើយយើងគួរប្រើវាឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវតាមទូនាទីវាមួយអញ្ចឹងណាហើយយើងជ្រើសរើសអំពែនេះជ្រើសរើសអំពែមីលីអំពែនេះបានត្រឹមត្រូវហើយ data n វានេះសំខាន់ណាស់យើងប្រើប្រាស់សម្រាប់យើងការពារឆក់ការពារមនុស្សឆក់ការពារអ្នកនរគ្នាឬក៏សមាជិកគ្រួសារអ្នកនរគ្នាពេលអ្នកនរគ្នាប៉ះឧបករណ៍មួយកម្ដៅឆក់គឺយើងត្រូវយកតម្លៃហ្នឹង30មីលីអំពែហ្នឹងតែបើសិនអ្នកនរគ្នាយកតម្លៃខ្ពស់ជាងហ្នឹងវាអាចការពារអ្នកនរគ្នាបានទេត្រូវអ្នកនរឆក់ដដែលអញ្ចឹងហើយបានខ្ញុំ highlight ចំណុចហ្នឹងឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាពេលអ្នកនរគ្នាចង់ទិញទៅផ្សារទៅប្រាប់លក់ឲ្យគេឲ្យតម្លៃហ្នឹងមកហើយយើងមើលវាត្រឹមត្រូវមែនអត់បើសិនត្រឹមត្រូវយើងយកតម្លៃហ្នឹងមកប្រើប្រាស់ហើយទៅតង RCCB ហ្នឹងទៅយើងអាចហៅ RCB ក៏បានឬ RCD ក៏បានអញ្ចឹងណាបងជាងបន្ថែមទៅទៀតDesignator មួយមានគោលការណ៍មានទូនាទីវារៀងៗខ្លួនដោយ RCCB នេះវាមានទូនាទីដែលការពារឆ្លងដីទេ funnel ឆ្លងដីតែបើយើងវាលើបន្ទុកឬក៏ឆ្លងដី funnel មកឆ្លងដីវាការពារបានតែទៅពេលគួរសេគ្វីចរន្តវាកើនឡើងភ្លាមមួយរំពេចនោះអញ្ចឹងហើយវាអត់មានទូនាទីការពារទេបើយើងចង់ប្រើឲ្យការពារទូនាទីបានតោះតែយើងប្រើផ្ទះយើងប្រើ RCB ផងហើយនឹងប្រើ MCB ផងអញ្ចឹងណានេះទៅតង this RCCB the pictures okay this one for one phase this one for three phaseហើយទៅតងមកទីចំណុចនេះthis one the earth leakage circuit breaker ELCB they have the same function as RCCB but voltage sensor device however this is an old technology, is not in common use. RCCB being a current sensitive device have a better advantage over ELCB as under. តើតើចំណុចនេះមានន័យថា ELCB ហ្នឹងទូទៅវាប្រើដោយសារ RCB វាដំណើរការដោយចរន្តណានៅខ្សែរបស់យើងទូទៅមានហ្វាឬក៏ faner ហ្នឹងចរន្តណាមួយវាឆ្លងដីអញ្ចឹងវានឹងធ្វើការ load វាគ្រប់គ្រងដោយ monitor វា have sensor monitor គ្រប់គ្រងដោយចរន្តសញ្ញរណាមួយលំអៀងវានឹងសិនទៅបញ្ជូនសញ្ញាទៅ coil របស់វាអាច RCCB ប៉ុន្តែសម្រាប់ ELCB វា detect ដោយ voltage sensor device ចឹងហើយវាខុសពី RCCB អញ្ចឹងហើយវាជា facility ចាស់ដោយសារវាបាក់ប្រើឥឡូវបើយើងរកស្វែងអីវ៉ាន់ហ្នឹងរកទិញ ELCB មកប្រើក៏ពិបាកនឹងរកដែរដោយសារវាបាក់ប្រើហើយគេលែងផលិតហើយចឹងហើយយើងពិបាកនឹងការរកអញ្ចឹងណា RCCB is different from the ELCB because RCCB is use current for the text. Example like the any phase or any neutral relate to ground, current will detect and send a signal to the tripping coils will trip the circuits immediately. But for the ELCB, it uses the voltage sensor device. So if has any fault happens, the voltage will send to the trip coil and trip the circuit. But this one the old technologies is not a common use. We have to find, and mostly we cannot find. So we easy to use now. We always use RCCB. Also is modern and easy to use, and can say like new technologies for you also. Comparison RCCB and ELCB. Number one, RCCB refer to Earth, stand for residual current circuit breakers. ELCB stand for electric leakage current breaker. Now two, it is a new name and refer to current operated device. ELCB refer to voltage operated Earth leakage device. It ensures 100 detection of leakage current is available to send the AC as well as DC leakage current. It is not preferable as it can only detect current that flow back through the main earth wires. RCB has no connection with the earth wire ends. That's why it can trip when both current phase and neutral are different and it withstands up to both the current and cells. ELCB is working based on earth leakage current. This device measures the voltage on the earth connector. If its voltage was not zero, this indicated as current leakage to the earth. ប្រធានខុសគ្នារវាង RCCB and ELCB. RCCB will stand for residual current circuit breaker អញ្ចឹង ELCB វាមានន័យអង់គ្លេសជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសអញ្ចឹងចំណុចមួយទៀត RCB ដូចខ្ញុំបញ្យល់អញ្ចឹងវា operate ដោយចរន្ត device sensor. ELCB វា voltage operate ដោយ voltage sensors. ចំណុចទី3ទាក់ទងនឹង ការ leakage ចរន្តអីផ្សេងៗហ្នឹងគឺ RCCB ហ្នឹងវាដំណើរការបានល្អតែសម្រាប់ ELCB វិញវាដំណើរការមិនសូវបានល្អទេការដំណើរការរបស់វាចំណុចទី4តកតងនឹងconnection អីផ្សេងៗSYR អីផ្សេងៗហ្នឹងវាអាចផ្ដាច់ circuit ហ្វាឬក៏ node អីផ្សេងៗហ្នឹងដល់ពេលមានការលំអៀងអីផ្សេងៗកើតឡើងវាធ្វើឲ្យផ្ដាច់ចរន្តភ្លាមៗតែតកតងនឹង ELCB គឺវាចាំមើលតែមានតង់ចុងតង់ចុងនឹងបញ្ជូនសញ្ញាឲ្យវាតន្តង់ចុងនឹងវាបញ្ជូនសញ្ញាឲ្យវាបានវាធ្វើការផ្ដាច់ចរន្តអញ្ចឹងវាមានការយឺតយ៉ាវហើយនឹងវាដំណើរការអត់ល្អដូច RCCB ទេ Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you later. បាទបងប្អូនអរគុណច្រើនដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូខ្ញុំរហូតដល់ចប់បាទជួបគ្នាវីដេអូក្រោយ